I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain when will Rusher run out of tanks. Follow the timeline and focus on key numbers while I guide you step by step through loss rates, production, repairs, stockpiles, and exports. Picture monthly loss figures, replacement output, and the role of reserves to see how projections change. I use clear comparisons and simple math so you can judge different scenarios and understand how long armored capacity might last under various pressures. We will look at the variables that drive any projection and why they matter for real outcomes. Start with average monthly losses on the front, then layer in factory output numbers, spare parts supply, and repair throughput. Don't forget reserves held in storage and older models that can be upgraded or reused. I'll show how changing one factor like production by a few hundred units shifts the entire timeline in meaningful ways. Now we test scenarios from pessimistic to optimistic and see how long armored forces might persist under each. If losses average several hundred tanks per month and production stays low, frontline shortages appear quickly. If factories ramp up to several hundred replacements monthly, the attrition gap narrows and timelines extend into years. Mobilizing reserves gives breathing room but comes with trade-offs in maintenance, crew training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.